Hello, I'm going to very briefly show you how you can create an image in PowerPoint that you can share with your students or even put at the beginning of your videos. So if you choose any background in the designs when you open PowerPoint and creating a new slideshow, I'm going to create this, choose this badge, and I am going to upload it. And then I'm going to make some kind of graphic. So this is already a graphic, and I'm actually going to make a title for this demo that I just made. So what I'm going to type is, and then I'm going to just add a little subtitle, and I'm actually going to move this subtitle up here. And then all I have to do now is choose File, Save As, and choose a location that I want to save to on my computer, and then change my file type. I'm going to change it to a JPEG, and then I'm actually going to edit this a little bit and take out some of the blank spaces because some programs do not like all the blank spaces. And then I'm just going to save this one, which that's the only one in this slideshow anyway. And that's how you create an image. Next thing I'm going to do is show you how it is an image. So if I come in to my documents, here's my image, and it's just the picture saved as a JPEG. Thanks so much.